Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix AirPods unable to reset on iOS. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I am on this reputable website known as lifewire.com. So according to them, you should keep your charging case lid open. Don't forget that you have to have the lid open while pressing the button during a reset process, otherwise it won't reset properly. The second step is to disconnect the AirPods from all of your devices. So if you have connected your AirPods to multiple devices such as a Windows PC or Android tablet, you may need to remove them from each one before resetting them. The third step is that your AirPods charging case might not be charged, so the button on the charging case won't work if the case battery is down. So charge it fully and then retry the reset process. The fourth step is to charge your Apple AirPods. Like the charging case, your AirPods will also need to be charged before you can reset them. The fifth, the last step, is to plug in the charging case. Connecting the charging cable to the AirPods charging case has been known to fix factory reset issues. So this is how you fix the problem. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.